guys, what Jamaican people know about this? Leftovers dumpling. Get some banana dumpling from yesterday. And a morning now, 8:16, my husband frying. Oh, sorry. My husband frying dumpling. But my husband want a little bit more oil now. We're doing some fried dumpling, leftovers, plantain, and egg. That's what I'm gonna have. Or sausage. Which one? Sausage and baked bean or egg? You know. Alright guys. Olive oil, okay guys? So, and I have some leftovers baked bean and mackerel. Alright. Then I'm gonna take some plantains. Who know about them breakfast, yeah? Yeah. Look at that, guys. And this is my breakfast. Oh, me never show you what me I drink, guys. A cup of mint tea and some ginger in there. Yeah. I want to know about them thing, yeah, guys. Sunday morning breakfast. This is what I'm eating. My husband making sausage, you guys. Enjoy. Happy Sunday.